If you're a content creator trying to find a simple online business model for beginners, I have found an article that lists 12 of the most profitable businesses, explained, compared, and reviewed. So save this video for later so that you have it handy. Now, let's dive into the top 5, starting with number 5. Amazon's FBA. This is where private sellers send their products to Amazon, but it is expensive and complex, especially for beginners due to its high upfront cost and logistics. E-commerce. With online shopping booming and everything moving digital, many brick and mortars are closing. However, managing inventory, running ads, and building a great website can be tough, especially if you're just starting out. Software as a service. It is great for repeat customers and very profitable. But if you are not a coder or have $100,000 for a startup, it is not beginner friendly. Affiliate marketing or digital marketing. In my opinion, best for beginners in 2024. It lets you leverage other businesses to make money without creating your own product. It's simple, cost-effective, and scalable. If you don't know how to do that or are interested in doing that, I have a program that gives me 100% commissions and teaches me how. Just let me know in the comments. Finally, number 1, Google AdSense. You can earn passive income by placing your ads on your website or your YouTube channel. This does require that you have a high amount of traffic, and it can be challenging to maintain.